and welcome to faytech, our new factory, still in the Hongmen Technology Park. Shortly the facts, faytech, we do touchscreen monitors, touchscreen PCs, embedded devices, and this now for 6 years in China. We started quite small, you can see it on YouTube. We started 2013 making videos, and this is now our actual renovation. We just moved into this new place. Let's look just shortly through, we make later a long video. There is the most important person in the company, my wife, we have here, like before, our technical department, still the same people, just many more space and many more people. On the right side you see, on the left side our international team, on the right side the national Chinese team. And again, we will have Nicholas coming in October. We will make a very long video, and for today we will just make a very short one. When you see here, for example, that's a very nice one, a project we do now in China with kiosks nationwide. We have a lot of new projects from our top 10 products. Half of it, the revenue goes to projects. So probably when you see our webpage, it's mainly that you see standard products. But we have a lot of projects which generates revenue. On the right side, you see now our optical bonding and the clean room line. It's still in the makeup, so we will make, what's that, another video where we go completely in. But you see to the back the dispenser, the auto line for bond for 32-inch, but we even do now up to 84-inch, and we will later see it. On the left, and let's go in here, we have our standard production line. Also now in the old place we had just half the space. That means we had just one line, and now we have two lines, and you see really, again, and I want to say I'm really proud and thankful for this. We had an incredible development. You see I have now to put on a jacket. We have a lot of strict regulations. We see for that we implement in our 5S production, and again, it's very busy. You see also when you go on through, for example, you see here a project we do, you see videos of this in New York, it's a butterfly project. We have static productions. We have a lot of standard productions, like an IP65. We have our IP65 touchscreen PC, we have our capacity touchscreen monitors. And yeah, so we are quite busy. We produce now around 4,000 to 5,000 pieces every month. And let's go further out. This is also a nice example. We have now the right soldering, how to say, exhaustion system, that when it's soldering done, it goes directly out. It's healthier for the employees. So again, each time you visit us, each time you see a video from us, you can rely on that we did a lot of improvements. So to the back side, over into that direction, we have our kitchen, we have some storage rooms, we have even a table tennis you can play. We have here a little bit of hardware shop. It's still not all finished. Again, you just moved in, and it's still in the process of doing. But for example, this, and I'm really proud of this one, is our 84-inch 4K touchscreen monitor, which is optical bonded, and that means that it's total clear, you have less reflection, and the picture is really like on the surface. You don't see the air gap between touch panel and panel. And again, I think we are right now probably just one of 3 to 5 partners in China who can do that. We have here some samples we are doing. For example, it's really just the first prototype, but we have here a stainless steel sample for example, a restaurant chain, IP65 models. Small new monitors, also here 32-inch optical bonded, and we have here our sample room. To finish the short walk, we have now the 5th and 6th floor. So on the 5th floor we have the production, and on the 6th floor we have the warehouse. Let's have a glimpse into that. And again, we will have in October Niklas here from Arne Devices. Then we will make, let's say, our longer 30 to 40 minutes walkthroughs, and this one will be very fast if you get it first glimpse of what we're doing now. Again, we really developed quite strongly. We started here 6 years ago with just 8 people. Now in this office we have over 120. By a year end we should have more than 150. We have a German operation now with roughly 50 people. And I can just repeat myself, thanks to our customers, thanks to the employees who work really hard to make this possible. And you can enjoy the view of Hongman, and then we have here more renovations going on. And then let's end with a short glimpse of our warehouse. We have now always here more than $1 million in value already lying around here. Quality, heavy material, behind testing. We will build up at the end a little bit of booth, exhibition room. And yes, I would say for today, that's it. Thank you for your interest. And yeah, we're looking forward to your inquiries. Happy when you have whatever touch device project. Don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to work with you.